Hello everyone, this is Johnny. I'm in charge of the IPA division in Innodisk. The topic I want to share with you today is innovative intelligent application to accelerate transformations. In recent years, everyone has known that AI technology gradually into the industrial application, and Innodisk with customer has also into the field of the AI applications. So today, I want to share with you this topic, how Innodisk work with customers in the AI market. The agenda I divided into 4 parts to introduce. The first, I like to discuss the AI technology application of the AI market trend. Second, I would like to focus on the challenge and technology of the AI. Third, I would like to introduce Innodisk AI technology and the product solutions. Finally, I would like to share 2 AI use cases, how we can integrate partners in the AI applications. When we talk AI, many people often say that AI is changing the world. And the answer is yes. AI is entering our life. But when we integrate with AI, we will face the 3 problems. The first, the trust data sharing, how to protect data security when data stored and transmit between the devices. The second, heterogeneous AI platform. The variety of the AI platform will increase the complexity of the software design. The third, ubiquitous AI devices. The AI device will be everywhere, and it will be more difficult to maintain. So, we will face up the problem and find the good solutions. The many research institutions have pointed out that data generated by AI device every day will be reached the 463 zettabyte in 2025. In the preservation and the protection of data, we must pay attention to the safety of the data use. In addition, the data collected by the AI sharing under the role of the data protection. At present, there are roughly 4 category AI solutions for hardware, including the CPU, GPU, FPGA, and ASIC. This hardware usually existing in the same applications and field sites, so it will increase our difficulty in management. AI will enter our daily life from the transportations, constructions, department store, and such a large numbers of AI devices must have a good management mechanism to maintain the operation of the device without increase the human cost. Looking back at the development of the AI, on the left picture you can see AI is the past focused on the algorithm, but now we're looking at the AI developer. The architecture is more complete from the data input, including the data, voice, and the video content. In addition, we have also the AI deployment and AI model training software are also discussed in the recent year. Innodisk also finds that to make the AI possible, there are 3 key factors. The smart component. In Innodisk SSD product, we can ensure the security of the AI data and provide data encryption functions. AI Suite SDK, we provide AI software tool to assist from the AI model training to the AI inference, allow customers to operation quickly using a no-code development environment. Cloud management. In addition to the AI device management, we can also assist customers in developing in AI developer technology. As smart component, we emphasize the security, data collections, and management on AI device. In the SSD product, we provide all of them can meet the data security functions, such as TCG OPPO. In AI device management, we provide OOV module on unattended device to reduce manpower requirement and designs the recovery solution. Innodisk also provide AI Suite SDK, that is AI Developer Kit. The tool include AI model training and inference. The Edge AI software, we provide IVIT, that allow the customer to use from the AI training to the inference on CPU, GPU, ASIC, FPGA platforms. In cloud AI software, we can use ICAP for remote deployment and the management of AI model, so that AI can be easy used in the everywhere. Let's take a deep dive to see the function provided by IVIT. This tool supports no-code and intuitive operations, make it easy for AI usage. IVIT supports the mainstream AI hardware platform in the market. It also supports the conversion AI model between the different AI platforms. With training that AI model, he can have the optimized parameter to save the training times. When we discuss the cloud AI, the AI manufacturers have also begun to invest in AI cloud technology. There are three main directions: from the AI device management, AI data analysis, AI model management. From the device management functions, the mainly to monitoring hardware information, such as the motherboard voltage, the CPU, GPU usage, and the peripheral health. AI data analysis function, after the most of the information is collected, the AI algorithm analysis is used to improve the manufacturing process or increase the efficiency. The last function is AI model. The management uses the remote to update and deployment AI model, which can reduce the human resource. In AI Suite SDK, we provide ICAP Cloud AI Management to assist customers in device management and AI model deployment, and also provide ICAP SDK for engineers to do the secondary development. In device management, it can be combined with the Innodisk OOB module, so that the device can have dual band management capability and achieve the 24/7 non-stop service. The AI capability in the ICAP, part of the device management in the cloud, provide the device grouping, message notifications, and hardware information collections. At the same time, combined with the InnoAgent OOB module, he can assist customers to remote system scheduling management. In the AI module functions, customers can achieve the remote retraining model functions. On the edge side, the agent will be provided to install on the client host to collection the device data, and the AI components support the various AI platforms. The AI service launched by Innodisk, including the complete integration of the AI peripheral from the edge to the cloud, from the hardware to the software. And in order to accelerate AI software development, Innodisk will also provide the AI Suite SDK, so that both the AI training and the inference can be complete in the no-code environment. Finally, with the support of the cloud platform, AI device can be integrated to the achieve efficiency management. Finally, we have two use cases to sharing. The first case is a smart parking lot. In recent years, electric vehicle has emerged, but there are not enough the EV charging stations for the EV drivers. Therefore, the operator in the parking lot hope to use the AI technology to identify the EV. We use LPR combined with the ground lock and only provide the EV to parking in the EV charging parking space to solve the parking problem. In this case, we combine technology of the several partners. The first is AI Box, use the Intel platform with the NVIDIA GPU to provide stable computing power for LPR. Second, the cloud platform management using the Azure Cloud Platform, integrate with the InnoEdge storage to create a high security data channel. Third, the LPR algorithm is provided by ASUS IoT to provide high precision algorithm. Under the product integrate of the several partners, we provide a complete solution for smart parking. Another case, the smart city. We know the country are developing the smart city. The smart street light have become the first implement AI applications. In the POC project of the Smart Street Light in Taipei, Innodisk Group combined Athena AI box to implement technology road enforcement to solve the traffic problem. At the same time, it integrated 6-inch air box to monitoring the air qualities in the city, and the equipment management is carried out by ICAP for device maintenance and OTA updates. Through sharing the two use cases, you should have a better understanding of the service and the solution that Innodisk can provide in the AI application. We hope to cooperate with you in the future. Thank you for listening today. Goodbye.